Very good morning, my friend. Most welcome in my channel. We are coming back to start our new scientific update with some scholarship position in different part of the world if you really want to go for the master or PhD programs. So let's start without any delay. Research is done in malaria causing parasite with protozoans. The proteins that find in red blood cells is called sticky. That you know that in case of the normal is the blood cells is oval shaped, but in case of the RBC in the malarial parasite it becomes sticky like that. Why it happened? Because of the result of the immune system is less able to destroy. That's why this type of the cell is formed by the action of the parasitic some proteins, that proteins causing the potential fatal blood clotting in this type of the infected patient. So these proteins are identified and we know these proteins. According to Davis, the scientists who are working on the malarial parasite, they find a same proteins in the different type of variant species of the parasite, plasmodiums, and they stop the antibody working on this type of variant, and they can switch to one another of the species in the races from one to another ones. So these protozoans have the capability to form proteins. That proteins is responsible for formation of the sticky blood cells, RBC. These RBCs become like skill celled, and this problem created for the immune system. They cannot work on properly to destroy the parasite. This is the reasons malarial parasite can be survived in the whole world, just like African country or South Asian regions. That's why we are facing these problems, and this paper is showing all the responsibility why they change their structures and all the other things, enzymatic activities. Now we coming in the next new scientific update is showing that the pathogens in the inside in the intestine, the nerve cells of the intestinal wall release the cytokines. You know cytokines have many roles in the immunological activity. Here different type of the pathogenic activations. They send signals to the immune molecules to activate and forms the responsible particular cells. Then can activate, they can forms against the virus, yeah, any type of the pathogen when they enter inside the body cells. Here they firstly we are understand in the different type of research showing that the cytokines is responsible to make a barrier the molecules to prevent the entry in the harmful bacteria. But in this study they shown that nervous cells of intestine is responsible to production of the cytokines, and this cytokine is responsible for the production and activation of the immune cells in the different part of the human body cells. So we know that there is a lot of things is going on there, so we can study in these papers also. Now we are coming in our corona case update news. In this we are watching their daily, the news is growing like USA, Brazil, Russia, India is the hottest spot in the 5 country, now UK and more coming in this list. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Canada is in this coming list. Where is the China right now? If you notice the last 4-5 days in India there is a 12,000, 11,000, 11,000 and 12,000. Last 4 days you notice that around 50,000 cases reported, death around more than the 1200 death is reported. The serious situation is going on in the whole country, especially in the case of the Mumbai and Delhi, these are metro city, and Tamil Nadu. The peoples are here is facing more problem in the healthcare system and financial system. Economic system is totally collapsed. We don't know what will be the future it going on, but we need to stay safe and secure. We are coming in our scholarship section, most important sections. What we are really going to make the different types of the positions in the whole world. In these sections we are coming in the Malaysian scholarship positions. You need to go in this university in the Google site and find if you are going master program, a PhD program. Last date is 6th July. Fully funded scholarships. You are going in this any type of subject, medicine, engineering, what you are in these sections you can go and find the session. Master is 2 years and PhD the 3 years relations. You need to go and identify where you are suitable things you need to apply for this section. This is the fully funded scholarships. Most of the students really want to, in this pandemic and crisis times, 100% scholarships for their pursuing higher education degree, because we need such type of facility. Thank you so much for watching and giving your times for my videos. Hope you like and enjoy. If you like, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend if they need this. Thank you.